Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for calling the Palm Regency, Kolkata. I am Natasha. How may I help you?
Hi, this is David Wallace from Mumbai. I would like to have a booking with you for an entire week starting tomorrow. Also, I happen to be a Loyalty Club member of the Palm. Would you like me to share my membership ID?
Oh, hello, Mr. David. Your name is enough for me to identify you. No ID is required. So, how have you been?
I am good. Thank you so much for asking, Natasha. I hope you're good too.
I am fine, sir. Thank you. We were expecting you and your team with us last week. Unfortunately, you cancelled it at the last moment.
Yeah, Natasha, don't ask. The meeting in Kolkata got postponed in the very last moment, so I had to cancel the booking. Think of those non-refundable flight tickets I booked for my entire team. Anyway, this time I'm coming both for business and have a family commitment to keep up, so I'll be staying with you guys for approximately a week. Now you can bill me all you want.
Always a pleasure to have you with us. However, our guest traffic is pretty high at this time of the year, but I'm sure we can manage something only for you. The usual room preference, right?
Yes, please. Just that this time it's only the two of us.
Surely, sir. Give me a minute, please. Mr. David, your booking is confirmed with us.
Thanks a lot, Natasha. You're always the best.
My pleasure. Thank you for choosing the Palm Regency, and as always, we are looking forward to host you. Have a nice day.
Hi, Natasha. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. David. So good to have you again with us. Your rooms are ready for check-in. Here are the key cards. We can have the boring formalities later on.
Natasha, did you say rooms?
Yes, Mr. David. 2 single occupancy super deluxe rooms, just like you asked for.
I'm sorry. I never asked for 2 different rooms. I clearly remember I told you it's 2 of us coming. So obviously I would need a double occupancy room. Why on earth did you arrange for 2 different rooms?
What's wrong now, David?
I have honestly got no clue. These guys have got 2 different rooms booked for us.
I am sorry, Mr. David, but that's what your room preferences have always been. Single bed, super deluxe, pool facing, smoking room. And you said it will be 2 of you this time, so I arranged for 2 rooms accordingly.
Seriously, Natasha? This lady here is my wife, and you have booked us 2 different rooms. Amazing.
I'm so sorry, sir. It's just that we have you stay with us almost every month, and you are always here on business with your team. Every time we have single occupancy rooms booked for you. I just assumed it to be the same this time as well. I'm really sorry. I should have clarified myself before going ahead with the booking.
This is just so not expected from you, Natasha. I told you I'm coming both for business and a family commitment. That's why I booked an entire week with you guys.
Can I talk to you for a second, please, David?
Yes, please.
Okay, here's the thing. This is going too far now. I know you don't like my brother at all and didn't want to be here for his anniversary in the first place. And I think just because I made you come here to attend it, you are playing along with this entire goof up. I can see you are a regular here. And what is up with the way Natasha smiles at you? It's well understood that these misunderstandings about the rooms is not an accident. This is so not expected of you, David.
What? Really? Oh, come on. Don't start this crap all over again. Not in the reception, at least.
Oh yeah, right. Not in the reception. Why? Because your Natasha is looking, huh? And what do you stay in the smoking rooms for? Didn't you promise me you have quit smoking almost a year ago? This is unbelievable.
Why are you talking about all this right now? Please calm down and allow me a moment to sort things out. Look, Natasha, I don't know how you do it, but get this thing sorted.
I am genuinely sorry, sir. Ma'am seems to be really upset too.
You don't have to worry about ma'am. Just get my booking fixed.
Mr. David, as a token of apology, we are offering you a free upgrade to a suite room at no extra cost. Once again, I am really ashamed for this misunderstanding, and I assure you this will not be repeated in future. Enjoy your stay with Palm Regency.
Thank you very much. Much obliged.
Hey, did they just upgrade us to a suite?
Of course they did. You think I would just let them go away like that? Especially when they have made my angel-like wife so sad.
Oh, David, you sure do know how to make a woman blush.